Yeah! Ugh. Hello guys, my name is Sami and this time I'm talking about audio. So this is going to be just a quick video about audio because audio is a crucial part in making videos. At least 50% of what you're making when you're doing videos is audio, so you want that your audio is good. And I wanted to make this video because I noticed in the video that I made when I was going in the rapids taking pictures that my audio was just... it was bad. I had just screwed up with the settings in my camera and the mic, and there was a lot of the hiss noise that you don't want to your videos. I hope that there is not the hiss noise right now. That's my fridge. Any case, then I checked my settings and they wasn't like they should be, and now they are. So my setup is Canon DSLR and Rode VideoMic Pro, not the Plus model. And what you want to do when you're using this mic and Canon DSLR is go to your settings in your camera and adjust your audio manually. So enable this setting. This gives you the opportunity to increase or decrease the audio level inside your camera. And you want to keep the voice level as low as possible inside your camera because it works kind of like an amplifier. So higher you put the voice level inside your camera, the more you increase the sensitivity. The higher you put the sensitivity, the more you increase the sensitivity of the camera to the sounds, and that brings usually more of the hiss noise. We don't want the hiss noise. So how to do that? Go to your settings, go to your voice level settings and adjust it, I'd say 6 stops max. I usually keep it in 3 stops. And now we come to the Rode VideoMic Pro, how do you adjust the volume in there? So you have 3 different kind of settings in your Rode VideoMic Pro. You have 0 dPs, you have -10 dPs, and you have +20 dPs. And we are talking about decibels. So I'm using it now in +20 dPs, and that means that it enhances the voice level by 20 decibels, but it does it inside the microphone, not inside of the camera. So that's a good thing. It doesn't bring the hiss noise. To demonstrate this thing, I want to put the settings in a different way. So I'm keeping the settings inside my camera as they are now, so in +3 stops inside the volume settings, but I'm changing the settings inside the microphone. So I've been recording now in +20 dPs, and now I'm going to change it to 0 dPs for a while, and then to -10 dPs for a while, and back to +20 dPs, so you hear the difference. Now it's in +20 dPs and it's been the whole video +20 dPs, but let's go down to 10 dPs. Alright, now we are in 0 dPs, so I'm talking at the same voice level, everything is the same, the settings in the camera are the same, but I just adjusted the microphone level to 0 dPs, and this is how it sounds. As you can imagine, the voice is not that strong as it was in +10 dPs. Now I'm going down to -10 dPs and it's going to be even lower. -10 dPs. Okay, and now we are in -10 dPs in the Rode VideoMic Pro. And the settings are exactly the same in the camera, which is 3 stops plus in the manual voice control, but the sound level in the microphone is -10 dPs. And I bet that you can't hear me that well, so that's why I'm going to change back to +20 dPs. Alrighty, and now we are back in +20 dPs, which I normally use. And then one cool thing also what we have in the Rode VideoMic Pro is the high pass frequency filter. So this gives you the opportunity to pass all the sounds that are going in the 80 Hz level. So you want to use this example when you are filming somewhere where there is a lot of traffic or air conditioning is humming. So all the noises below the 80 Hz are going past the microphone like they are not catching the mic. Alright, and that was it for today. It was just a quick tip how to adjust your Rode VideoMic Pro when you are using Canon DSLR. And one thing that I also noticed that my shirt is just dirty I was eating peanut butter sandwich earlier and great. Good job. That's all for today. Hit the like button, subscribe, share, comment, let me know, and I'll see you guys in the next video.